2 shapes is all I'm going to ask you to do, and then there'll be some rewards possible if you bothered to do the work up to now. So the surface area of a cone, how do I find that? This is your formula. If you want to copy it down, that's up to you. You can write it in your booklet if you want. What is a cone shape? It's the cone at the top. And then what's at the bottom of a cone? The base. What shape is that though? Circle. You only need to know 2 things to find the surface area of a cone. You need to know the radius of the base, and you need to know S, which is the slant. So how long that slanted side is. So what is the formula? Pi times by the radius times by S. That's the cone shape. And then pi times by radius squared, that's the circle on the bottom. You add those 2 together to find the surface area of a cone. Okay? So just to demonstrate that, I'll literally basically give you the answer to the first one. So can you start that timer? Ready?
How many times?
No, I just want to know how long. Stopwatch, sorry. Ready? Tell me when you're ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. So finding this, pi times by the radius. What's the radius of that cone, by the way? That grey one there? 5 times by, how long is S? 8 plus pi times by, what was the radius again? 5, and you're squaring it. So 5 times by 8 is 40, plus pi times by 5 squared is 25. So you would grab the calculator out. So I'm leaving everything in here. Pi times by 40 plus pi times by 25. 204.20. What was the units? That was square centimeters rounded to 2 decimal points. Can you stop the timer now? How long did that take? 40 seconds. Please keep that in mind. Can you get that example down, please? And I'll stop the lesson. That's an answer for your book already. I just gave it to you. You just need to do the rest of it for C and E. I'll stop the recording now.